I'm here at the packing section and we're super busy. Hey guys, this is Jessie from NextSmartShip. Welcome back to NextSmartShip's channel. And now it's about 20 past 11 and now we're heading to our China Fulfillment Center in Shenzhen. So today we're going to show you what it's like and how does each part work. So let's go! We are here! See the giant logo of NextSmartShip! Woohoo! It's about 10,000 square meters. Absolutely big, absolutely massive. Behind this is the sorting section. Everybody's working super hard. Oh, wait a minute. I saw someone quite familiar. It's our CEO William here. Oh my God, what a surprise. Why are you here?
Because you know the Elon Musk, he always sleeps in the office all the time. So I'm a big fan of him. So yeah. I just gonna sleep here.
Yeah, so what a good boss, everybody, right?
It's just kidding because not just me, including our IT team and the sales team, marketing team, operation team, they came here very often recently because you know you couldn't just stay in the office all the time because you couldn't see the real issues in the warehouse. So we came here to just want to make sure the whole process is very smooth and all the things works better. Yeah,
that's good. That's good. So William, can you show us around in the warehouse?
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Yes. Okay. And behind us is the sorting section, as you can see. And over here is the AGV automatic robot section. Here's our high shelf section, you know, it's especially for big parcels. It must cost you a fortune to build this warehouse.
Yes, of course. You know, just for last year, we will invest like more than $2 million.
$2 million?
Yeah, $2 million. We're gonna invest more in the future, and because we just want to make sure all our customers can have a very good experience, and then we can deliver better solutions for them.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. So this is a warehouse worth over $2 million. It's just
last year.
Yeah, just for last year. So we're at the HGV section. We're joined here by our sales leader, Shirley. So Shirley, can you please tell us when do you use automatic robots?
Yeah, for the high shifts, it's very more suitable for the large goods. And for the HGV shifts, it's very more suitable for the fashion customers like the clothes and some like the fashion products items.
How does the HGV robots, the automatic robot work?
First one, this one. Off-shaped goods. And send the barcode here. Okay, and put here. Finish. And I know that most of our customers are very curious about the actual weight and the volume weight. So NextSmartShip will have all of our customers to save the cost. 像这种大件的服装，你一般怎么样去帮它缩小它的成本呢？
我们首先会把它的空气尽量的挤压出来。空气挤压出来之后，减少材质，然后我们再装我们的快递袋，把它的材质压到最小的高度。
你看，刚刚是特别大件的这个衣服，结果包完之后就是 like this。
We are taking 24-hour shifts to make sure we can deliver all the parcels on time, the efficiency and accuracy. So guys, that's it for today. If you want to know more about our warehouse or shipping solutions, please leave a comment to let us know. So see you next time.